Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1899, James City County was praised for its impressive agricultural production. The watermelons and cantaloupes grown here were deemed the best in the country. Farmer Branch was reported to have grown 8,000 barrels of potatoes. This shipment of the Irish tuber was estimated to be worth $5,000. This week in 1905, Southern Bell Telephone Company was stringing a copper wire from Williamsburg to Toano in anticipation of the increase in demand for this new form of communication.
Operator.
Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.